Came here, mulat ang aming mga mata na pumunta rito at alam namin na ito ay isang constitutional mekanismo.
Station of the Defense.
Yes, the Honorable Luis.
Nais ko lamang pong ipaalala sa ating mga kababayan, this is a constitutional process. This is of paramount of importance, and therefore, providing the reasons for the withdrawal of these witnesses need to be communicated as well to the viewing public, Your Honor. Kailangan pong maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan ang naging hakbang ng prosekusyon kung bakit wini-withdraw ang mga pangalan ng ibang testigo para sa Artikulo 4, and that is threat. That is for the record only, Your Honor.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Counsel for respondent, you
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to be recognized?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
May I just very briefly so that I won't take any more time of precious time of the court and our everyone who's here. With just a brief response to the lead prosecutor's counter manifestation that this is because this is a constitutional procedure. We understand that, and when we came here, mulat ang aming mga mata na pumunta rito at alam namin na ito ay isang constitutional mekanismo. Kaya nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina at ang aking kahilingan lamang ay nakasandig doon sa prinsipyo na yun, na dahil ito ay isang constitutional mechanism, kailangan siguraduhin natin na balanse at patas yung lahat ng magaganap. At hindi ko, I find it difficult to understand how manifestations containing assertions that are laden with conclusions and personal advocacy, and obviously one-sided advocacy of either parties, would help the court arrive at the proper determination of whether the respondent is guilty or not guilty of the charges contained in the articles of impeachment. Hindi rin po ito in response po to our just good Senator Pangilinan, hindi po technical na or rules, no, yung aking ini-invoke dito, kundi yung actually it's substantive dahil ito ay nakasantig sa ating batas. Salamat po.